Did you know that the cheetah is the fastest land animal? It can reach speeds of up to 60 miles per hour in just a few seconds, making it the ultimate sprinter of the animal kingdom. However, cheetahs can only maintain this incredible speed for short distances, typically no more than 20 to 30 seconds. Their slender bodies, long legs, and large nasal passages are all adapted for speed, allowing them to chase down prey with remarkable agility. But despite their speed, cheetahs are vulnerable predators and often lose their kills to larger animals like lions or hyenas. If you're amazed by the speed of these incredible creatures, leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more exciting facts like this.